Prep your gear, have no fear. Auto expert Barry Wilson is here.
Well, with our scorching heat wave, it's especially important right now to keep an eye on your car's warning lights. I'm trying to hitch a ride here from our car repair expert, Barry Wilson. Good morning to you.
Good morning, good morning.
He's inside so we can talk about these warning lights. Very important.
We can, and you know, it's real simple, and your dash can tell you a lot about your car. A lot of people don't even pay any attention to that. You buy a car, and the first thing you do is look at the radio and learn how to use it, and you just assume that the light will come on and tell you something. But before you start your car, you can look at these lights. They'll verify and give you a lot of information that'll help you understand how your car is doing.
Let's take a look.
All right, as an example, when you first cycle your key on, you're going to notice on the right side that the ABS light is going to be on for a minute and go out, which means that it's working properly. The check engine light that's amber on the same side is a light that'll tell you that the computer's having problems and it needs to be checked. If that light comes on, you can continue to drive your car, but you need to get it into a shop. Now, I'm going to cycle this key again, and on the left side, you'll see the airbag light. Now, that it comes on for a minute, and it makes sure that everything's working all right, and then it's going to go out. So those are two things that you want to watch, is your airbag and your anti-lock brake system lights to make sure they come on and then go off. Now, the red lights, anytime a red light comes on, that means something's wrong, and you need to stop the car immediately. As an example, at the top, there's a little insignia of an oil pot here, and that means that you have lost oil pressure if that light comes on. And then you have one here that says brake, and that means that you're having trouble with your brakes and, of course, battery. So all those lights that come on that are red indicate there's something wrong, and it means you need to stop the car.
Especially in this heat, you want to pull over right away.
That's
Get some help.
correct.
Don't try to make it 7 miles to the service station.
That's exactly right. You want to pull over and stop, because but the orange lights are all right, but the red lights you want to stop on.